Shytoshi Kusama, the CEO of the Shiba ecosystem, has just disclosed a significant upgrade that is essential for every holder of Shib to be aware of. If you possess any inclination for Shiba Inu, or if you own any Shib tokens, it is essential that you do not overlook this video. What are the most recent updates on the Shiba Inu currency, and how will these developments impact the value of Shiba Inu? In the present video, I will address these inquiries and provide you with the latest price-enhancing details on Shiba Inu. I have extensively conducted research for this video, thus, I strongly recommend watching it in its entirety to ensure that no valuable information is overlooked. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Prior to discussing our subject, let us examine the chart to observe the price movement of Shiba on June 28th, shall we? The current price of Shiba Inu is around 1734 units. Shib's price has increased by 1% in the last 24 hours, with a trading volume of $225 million over that period. The token now has a market capitalization of $10.2 billion, positioning it as the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. It is important to note that the prices mentioned in this video may have been updated after its release. This information should not be considered as financial advice. Now let us go into the content of today's video. The Shibarium of Shiba Inu experiences a significant surge of 60% in a crucial on-chain indicator over a span of 24 hours. Over the last 24 hours, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has seen a significant spike in activity on its Shibarium network, as shown by a jump in a crucial blockchain indicator. According to Shibarium Scan, the transaction volume increased significantly from 5150 to 7930, indicating a noteworthy surge of 60%. The surge in transaction volume has resulted in a simultaneous surge in network fees. The quantity of BONE tokens used to cover these expenses increased from 16.68 BONE to 32 BONE during the same time frame. According to Shibarium's transaction paradigm, bones are used as transaction fees, and a fraction of these tokens is transformed into Shib, which is then destroyed. The act of burning reduces the amount of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, which has the potential to increase their price in the long run. Multiple factors are contributing to this increase in network activity. The current instability in the market has intensified the attention of investors in Shiba Inu tokens, resulting in a surge in the demand for transactions on Shibarium. The increased activity is shown by a 13% surge in active accounts on the network, going up from 687 to 781. Significantly, while the number of active users increased, there was a tiny decrease in new account creation, indicating that the current user base is driving this rise in activity. The network's development and prospects for future value appreciation are being driven by the combination of increasing transaction volumes and the systematic decrease of SHIB tokens via burning. This phenomenon is probably motivating SHIB lovers to stay involved and continue investing in the Shiba Inu network. If you are now viewing, it would be much appreciated if you could proceed to enthusiastically click the like button. This action incurs no cost and significantly helps in supporting the channel. However, continue observing in order to stay informed about the most recent developments about Shiba Inu and to get insight into the potential future of the Shiba Inu currency. Approval of the Shiba Inu ETF marks a significant milestone for cryptocurrency investors, ushering in a new era of opportunities. This year, the digital asset market saw the momentous acceptance of both Ethereum and Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The development indicated a significant change in visibility and importance within the financial industry. Given the increasing availability of investment opportunities and assets, is it possible that a Shiba Inu exchange-traded fund, ETF, may be developed in the near future? Previous discussions have been placed over the potential successor to Bitcoin and ETH in the realm of cryptocurrencies. Standard Chartered Bank has forecasted that Solana and Ripple would have versions of the exchange-traded fund, ETF, by 2025. Nevertheless, if the second most significant average coin, based on market capitalization, were to have its own version of the investment instrument, it would genuinely indicate the beginning of a Shiba Inu ETF introduction, which would significantly alter the investing landscape for investors. In recent months, the cryptocurrency market has seen two significant milestones. Bitcoin became the first cryptocurrency to earn the first ever spot ETF in the United States. Nearly 5 months later, Ethereum also received approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, allowing the project to proceed. This news came as a surprise to many, since analysts anticipate that the ETH sale would be further postponed. Following this, while everyone is focused on whatever asset may potentially be chosen for an ETF next, there is a possibility of another significant surprise being planned. What would happen if a Shiba Inu were to be the next in line to be included in an ETF? According to CoinMarketCap, Shib is now the second biggest meme currency with a market capitalization of $10 billion. It ranks second behind Dogecoin, but it distinguishes itself significantly from other rivals in the market. The Shiba Inu is a valuable asset that always seeks to enhance its usefulness, consequently bolstering its viability within the cryptocurrency industry. The concept has been widely accepted by the Shib army, as seen by Shiba Inu creator Shytoshi Kusama's latest discussion on the matter. In a recent post on X, previously known as Twitter, Kusama expressed congratulations to Ethereum and contemplated if the permission may perhaps facilitate the progress of Shib. Nevertheless, Kusama emphasized his commitment to remain focused on our next endeavors. Furthermore, he implored Shib investors to be attentive in the subsequent communication. While it may be unlikely, the introduction of a Shiba Inu ETF would effectively enable a significant change in the market. In addition, Shib would benefit from increased visibility among institutional investors and achieve extraordinary profits. On the other hand, it is certain that the Ethereum ETF has already marked a significant moment of change. The industry is now very receptive, as it seems that Wall Street is more prepared than ever to completely adopt the sector. Why not consider the Shiba Inu breed? It is now time to proceed with the primary narrative of today's video. There has been a total of 2 trillion Shiba Inu transactions in the last 24 hours. Are whales seeing a resurgence in population? Shiba Inu whales are about to become active as there is a significant increase in transactional activity on huge wallets, reaching around 2 trillion. Nevertheless, the absence of momentum in the market indicates that it is premature to rejoice, and these transfers may only be linked to the allocation of capital rather than having any substantial impact on the price. New data reveals an increase in transactions occurring inside the Shiba Inu network. Over the last 24 hours, there have been 147 significant transactions with a combined volume of 1.9 trillion Shib. The activity reached a minimum of 82 transactions on May 19, 2024, which is the lowest point in the last 7 days. Examining a surge, which is a rapid and significant increase in large transactions, may have many implications. Firstly, there is a high likelihood that significant stakeholders in the market are simply reallocating their holdings. The transfer of cash may be associated with internal wallet restructuring in anticipation of future market maneuvers or for the purpose of managing assets. Redistribution is done to ensure adequate availability of liquid assets. The increased number of transactions was driven by these factors. Nevertheless, the overall sentiment towards Shib remained mostly indifferent. The price exhibited no discernible upward movement and remained in close proximity to 1,800 units. The relative strength index indicated a deficiency in purchasing power, as it remained above the neutral threshold of 50 points. While the acts of these influential individuals are observable, it does not guarantee that the price will likewise rise. The market dynamics indicate that these significant fluctuations may not result in new investments, but rather the redistribution of money among current holders. Regarding this matter, the impact on price was minimal, and Shib is now trading inside a narrow horizontal band. In order for Shib to really undergo a bull run, it would need a consistent influx of buyers and a general sense of confidence in the market. The indicators are displaying indications of a bullish breakout, but it has not occurred yet. Investors closely monitor the support and resistance levels at 1,600 units and 2,000 units, respectively, with a strong focus on the market's degree of movement. A significant number of our subscribers have expressed their intention to retain millions of SHIB tokens for a duration of 5 years, since they have faith in the Shiba Inu developers and the tangible worth of SHIB in the real world. What is the quantity that you all are now in possession of? Please remember to include your SHIB holdings in the comments box below. Let us commend the SHIB holder for demonstrating confidence and faith in the process. If you are finding the video enjoyable, please express your appreciation by giving it a significant positive rating, subscribing to the channel, and sharing your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. Ensure that you activate the post notifications in order to get a notice each time we upload a new video.